Imagine walking through a perfect neighborhood. Freshly cut lawns, shiny SUVs in the driveway, kids playing in the yard, a new kitchen renovation across the street. Everyone looks like they're winning. But here's the uncomfortable truth. Many of those neighbors are quietly drowning in debt. Welcome to the neighborhood arms race. Humans are wired for comparison. You see your neighbor buy a new car. Suddenly your perfectly good car feels old. They renovate their kitchen. Now your house feels outdated. They post vacation photos from Hawaii. Now your weekend trip feels small. So what do? They upgrade, not because they need to, but because they feel like they're falling behind. Here's the problem. Most of these upgrades aren't paid with cash, they're paid with debt. The bigger SUV, 7-year car loan, the kitchen remodel, home equity loan, the luxury vacation, credit card balance from the outside. The neighborhood looks richer every year, but behind closed doors, stress, minimum payments, and the quiet fear of the next unexpected bill. The neighborhood arms race works because nobody shows the downside. Your neighbor doesn't show the 18% credit card interest, the maxed out HELOC, or the sleepless nights worrying about money. All you see is the highlight reel. So the cycle continues. Everyone trying to look successful, even when the math says they're not. The people who actually build wealth, they quietly opt out of the arms race. They drive cars longer. They ignore the comparison game. They invest the difference. While the neighborhood competes on appearances, they compete on freedom. And over time, that quiet decision changes everything. So, next time you see the newest car on the block, remember, the real winner in the neighborhood might be the one with the oldest car in the driveway. Because wealth isn't about looking rich, it's about not needing to look rich at all.